Flex 3401. We're going to lay down the Brite skin. This is a commemorative skin for the 2022 Air Force One detailing team. So we're going to clean it up first, just get any dirt that may be all on the machine. Then after we get it relatively clean, we'll follow up with alcohol, just any oils or anything that may be on the machine as well, so to accept the sticker. So we're going to start out with the top skin and go from there. So just get it wiped down nice and good. Here comes the challenging part of the application. And probably would have been a good idea to remove that housing, the black housing that goes across from the left over to the right across the top. And this is the longest part of the sticker, so it's a bit frustrating to get it lined up. So you'll see it's going to take several tries, and not quite sure it's on there right, but we'll see. Just check it out. And but like I said, it would probably be easier to remove that black piece that's going across the top of the machine. All right, I got it. Well, maybe not. Looking good. Everything looks lined up. All right, let's lay down this last little bit here and check it out. Not so fast. I'll live with that. And that's all we're gonna do for this one.